sell second-hand Prams.
Prams, yeah.
Second-hand Bugaboo, Cameleon that we refurbish, and we sell leather covers to make it even more special. From real lamb's leather.
That sounds great. Thank you very much.
Okay, how to put on your covers on your frame. You put the zipper in the runner and into the box. That's called the box. It has to go in very good, or else the zipper won't tighten the right way or it splits open. Like this. Let's check on the sides. Then I get one side of the zipper into the runner, totally in the back of the box. Then pull it up. Then we look at this. Oh, it's too short. No, it's not too short. We're gonna stretch it, hold it, zip it, get the sides to go to the middle, and piece by piece zip it. And now it's perfect. This is the stretch in the leather. This will always fit, and it's more easy to mount it on the frame cover. I'm gonna do the same process again. So into the runner, into the box. It zips good. Now I'm gonna line it out, that the stretch is on top and in the middle. So, okay, now it's stuck. Now I'm gonna check, it doesn't fit good. It's too short. Now I'm gonna hold it, stretch the leather, stretch it, hold it, and stretch it, and now it's good. Now I'm gonna take care of that the zipper is in the center of the frame. that it doesn't go, it's in a straight line and not in a wave. Now I'm gonna do it like this, bit by bit, get the zipper into the middle. Check it again, and now it's good. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna turn it so you can see better. This is the most difficult part, the last piece. I'm purposely doing it a little bit wrong. Now you see the zipper bubbling. That means that we didn't stretch it enough. Now I'm gonna pull it back a little bit to this side. I'm gonna push the zipper in on the inside. Push the bubbles outward. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Push zipper, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna pull it a little bit more and hold it. There's a bubble over here. I'm gonna push it over there. Now your frame cover is in perfect position that you don't see bubbles anymore when you put on your carry cup. Now I'm gonna mount the seats back, the carry cup back. Velcro comes back on. I'm gonna put it in line. And the zipper is straight outline. I'm gonna put all the tapes on top. I want the zipper, I want it to be straight. So I'm gonna pull this one to make this straight. And then I'm going to put it down. This one I do it again. Put the zipper, the runner and the box in the middle of the handlebar, the cover, safety bar. Put it into the box. Look if it goes and it zips. Yes, it zips good. Then we're gonna pull it up a little. Now if I look, it doesn't fit. Why? We made them on stretch. So no extra lining for yarn. So now I'm gonna pull it, and now it goes over. It goes over too far. So we're gonna stretch it just enough so it goes over. And the zipper has to be straight in line, so if it's not good on this side, I'm gonna pull it a little bit that the zipper is in the heart of the safety bar. If I don't make adjustments while putting it on, it will go like a wave. Look, it wants to go the other way, so we have to pull it a little bit like this. Now I try to pull with my fingers onto the zipper, push the bubbles out and turn it a little bit. This side is already good because it's a perfect fit. Over here it's not that good, so I'm gonna pull it a little bit more over here. This side it is good, there it's also. So this is a perfect cover for Bugaboo. Perfect fit.